The electric kettle starts as metal or plastic sheets chosen for durability and heat resistance. Factories cut, weld, or mold the body and fit a sealed lid, spout, and safety switch. A compact heating element sits in the base with a thermostat and controller that stops boiling at the set temperature. On the line, testers check for leaks, insulation, and electrical safety, then run dry burn tests and a final boil cycle. Finally, packaging adds care labels and efficiency data, guiding users from unboxing to safe daily use while highlighting recyclability.